My name is Anna. I was born in a very poor family and I work as a security guard, and I don't have a boyfriend. And I am 22 years old. Today I will tell you about my life story. If you watch the story till the end, you will be very happy. I live in a small town. When I was 1 year old, my parents were not in this world and I don't remember anything but what my parents were like or what they did. So from my childhood till I was 22 years old, my aunt has taken care of me very much. My aunt is everything for me. She has also given me a room to live in, and now I am living alone in that room. If my duty was at 6 o'clock in the morning, I would wake up at 4:30 in the morning. First of all, she sweeps the room and brushes the hair. After a while she makes hot water for bathing, and after the water is hot, she takes a bath, then makes tea, then eats tea and bread, and after a while she prepares food and talks a little about work to her friend on the phone. My lifestyle is normal. I don't like to wear jeans and pants to do makeup like other girls. And I pay for food and wear a security guard's uniform. My office is 1 kilometer away, and I don't have any motorbike, I have to walk. After going to the office, my duty starts. I stand in front of the office door and do my duty. All the people in the office are good-natured. They tell me the work sweetly and I do it. Then after finishing my duty, we both walk home as friends. Then when I come home, I first freshen up and make some tea and chat with my friend on the phone for a while. Then she makes dinner and finishes all the work and has dinner and watches TV for a while and immediately goes to sleep. We all go shopping with our friends on holidays and then watch movies, and we all have dinner with our friends in restaurants. And my only hobby is to go to the beach and enjoy nature. If you like the story, then like and subscribe to the channel.